how to change your country on Roblox, and is it possible to do this or to change your country or region using your Roblox application? So first, launch your Roblox application. Go to the three dots and then click settings. Now, if you open or tap this account info here and look for change country or change region, you cannot see an option that says change country here. Okay, so even if you scroll down, you can't see one. Now let's go to privacy, or let's just say, let's go to security or other options here. Okay, tap privacy, scroll down and see if there's an option that says change country. And as you can see, there's no option here. Okay, so let me go back and then this time let's tap security. And you will see here that there is still no option that says change country. So the best thing to do is to go to your Google Play Store and then look for a free VPN. I suggest that you can try Proton VPN or TunnelBear VPN, and then look for a specific server, and then you just have to connect to that specific server, for example, USA, Japan, or whatsoever, and then you can now simply change your country. That's how easy it is. But you can't change your country or region using Roblox application. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.